Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yage here, and if you are new, thank you so much for joining in, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button and join the family. Today I am baking it up. I am making my upside down cake that is just absolutely crispy on the outside. Yes, crispy, but on the inside it is just so moist and chocolatey and nutty and just beautiful. Let's just take a minute and look at that chocolate coming through. Oh, divine. Best served with some ice cream on the side. If you want to learn this amazing recipe, just stay tuned and enjoy.
Approximately 10 hours later.
it is done, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe as much as I have enjoyed baking it. If you have, please do not forget to give a massive thumbs up for me and comment below if you have any questions or any suggestions. I always love to hear from you guys. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so and join the family where you get weekly recipes coming your way. Anyway, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this. Look at that chocolate coming through again. It's just absolutely divine. And as I said earlier, it's just extra special to have it with a little scoop of ice cream. It just gives you that extra touch. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you on my next video. So stay tuned and stay sweet. Bye!